So today I going to talk on how you will choose correct aluminum roofing sheet for your Benin project. So before you carry money go buy that roofing sheet,
I'm carrying a lot of money.
wait first, make I yarn you how you go choose correct aluminum sheet wey go last you for your Benin project and e go save you wahala. Okay, now before we move on, who I be and why you need to listen to me. First of all, I be engineer OJ from OJ Aluminium Fabrication. I dey do all this roofing and window production and anything aluminum fabrication. Now I don see many people wey dey go buy wrong roofing sheet and later dey regret am later. For this short video, I will show you how you go sabi the right type, the thickness and the color wey go fit your house and pocket. No guesswork, no mistake. Now to know the type, we get three common types, namely long span, step ties, Metcoppo. This one are for mainly the raw aluminium. You understand? Now the long span, e fine, e dey sleek and e fit both house and factory. E dey very okay. Then now the step ties, if you like that ties, that traditional look, this one will blend well. And the Metcoppo, e resemble those European style. You understand? Very fine and strong. Just choose the one wey match your building design. Now the second part na the thickness. Thickness dey very matter well.
You got this?
Now we get 3 to 4 types of thickness. Now we get the 0.45 mm, we get the 0.5 and the 0.55 and we get the 0.7 mm. Now the 0.45, now if your budget is small and your area not too rough like that, it fits you, you understand? Then the 0.5 and the 0.55, e balance cost and strength well. While the 0.7, which is the highest, which is the odogu, is strong pass all, good for area where rain and wind not dey craze, you understand? But e cost to pass not just buy cheap. Think of how long you want take. And another thing to know na the color. You fit pick any color wey match your design.
It's canary yellow. I picked that color myself.
Based on how you want am, you understand? But for Benin hot weather, the best color na light color. This one dey help prevent the heat, you understand? We see dey call that light color stucco, you understand? But choose better coated sheet make color no go fade quick, you understand? Make sure e match your house design. If you still dey confused, no wahala, na wetin we dey here for. You understand? OJ Aluminium go help you choose correct roofing sheet wey go fit your pocket, building and the style. You understand? Message us today, make we run your dream roofing. Chap. OJ Aluminium Fabrication.